Philippines finally choose U.S. helicopter gunships. The team from the Philippine Air Force Technical Working Group (TWG) reportedly chose a U.S.-made combat helicopter, Mintfo wrote. The Philippine Air Force Technical Working Group (PAF) during the ATAK helicopter acquisition project reportedly has chosen a new platform which is a U.S. helicopter after re-evaluation. MaxDefense Philippines said, it was confirmed that the team from the Technical Working Group (TWG) for the ATAK helicopter acquisition project finally cancelled the ATAK T129B ATAK helicopter option from Turkey. This is due to Turkey's failure to confirm its ability to import engines and avionics from the US and Britain to enable the creation and support of helicopters, MaxDefense added. It is written, the TWG team has chosen United States helicopters to replace them after the re-evaluation was conducted, and there are 3 models of US helicopters offered to PAF. But it cannot yet be confirmed which type will be chosen by the Philippines, MaxDefense said. Some U.S. helicopters offered to the Philippines are the AH-1Z Viper, AH-64E Apache, and S-70I Black Hawk which are armed. Although it was built in Poland, the S-70I Black Hawk was built under Sikorsky, the Lockheed Martin company.